Hi students, problem number 11. The voltage of an AC source varies with time. According to the equation V equal to 120 sin 100 pi t into cos 100 pi t. Frequency of the source is to be determined. It's a very intelligent question. We have to start from the equation. Okay, so the voltage source V is equal to 120 into sine of 100 pi t into cos of 100 pi into t. So this I can split this as a product of 60 into 2. Okay, 120 can be written as what? 60 into 2 into sine 100 pi t into cos of 100 pi into t. Now you carefully observe this equation from here. Okay, it is like 2 sin theta cos theta, where theta is equal to 100 pi t. Is it not? So what is the short form of 2 sin theta cos theta? It is equal to sine of 2 theta. Sine of 2 theta. So this is now equal to 60 into sine of, okay, 2 into 100 pi t. Sine 2 theta. So 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta. So this is now equal to 60 multiplied by sine of 200 pi t. Okay, 200 pi into t. So this is equation 1. Have you understood up to this? Okay. Now what is the general form of voltage in AC source? So V is equal to V0 into sine of omega into t. So this is equal to V0 into sine of this omega. Omega is what? 2 pi nu into t. So this is the general form of the AC voltage. Now you compare the equations 1 and 2. I am going to compare the right hand sides. Okay. So the peak value of the voltage is 600 volt. Now sine of 2 pi nu t is equal to sine of 200 pi into t. I am going to equate. Okay. So equating RHS of equations 1 and 2. So 2 pi nu t is equal to 200 pi can be written as 2 into 100 into pi into t. So you can cancel some of the constants on both sides. 2 and 2 get cancelled, t and t get cancelled, pi and pi also get cancelled. So what is remaining? Nu is equal to 100. Therefore, nu is equal to 100. So this is the answer. Nu is the frequency. You can also write frequency. Okay, F also is used sometimes. So this is the answer. Now you see here option B is given 100 hertz. Okay, therefore option B is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.